Hello, everybody. Hope you've had an amazing weekend so far. It is your boy Trix, and today we're going to be doing some more Ziglings. Today we'll be using Awesome as our window manager. We will be, unfortunately, using Emacs as our editor, and the IEMs I'll be using today are my desks again. Been a while since I've used my S12s, but we'll use them eventually. I am a bit unhappy that we don't get to do any of these async stuff, as I think it would be pretty cool. But from what I could check in the Ziglings docs, whoops, this is the wrong one. I had it open. Hang on. Code Ziglings, there we go. Yeah, here we are. They have a checklist of the ones that are done. Let me just turn off Dark Reader, because that's the only reason that this page isn't showing correctly, sorry. There we go. So as you can see, awaiting upstream Zig updates, which is why async hasn't been activated yet. But for now, we can still do the majority of Ziglings. I believe we've done up to 83, yeah. So there's 106 in total, so 92. I could just do 106 minus 92. So that's about 14 that we need to do. 13, 14. So should be able to get through it pretty easily. Just need to wait for Emacs to start. Not gonna lie, been a while since we've opened Emacs, so things might be a bit wonky from last time. Whoops. I need to open. There we go. Ziglings. Exercises. Interfaces. And then if I remember, it's space WH. There we go, and then space WL to move between the windows, because it's space for leader key, then window left, window right. And then it's space toggle terminal. No, that's the wrong one. Space. There's one for terminal. Hang on. Open. T. There we go. And then again, I can escape space W K to go up, and then space W L to move. There we go. Just so I always have a terminal spawned. With a inline else. Yeah, that looks fine. Which one am I not done? 93. Yeah, I've heard from many people that Zig was written to be like Zig was written by C developers, whereas Rust was written by like C++ developers. That's why, like, if you're looking for a C++ alternative, you would move to Rust. If you're looking for a C alternative, you would move to Zig, from what I've heard. I've also heard people talk about Go in the same way as C, that between like Zig and Go, they are both good options for moving from C to that language. It's just how you want to manage things and the semantics that you like. Like Go handles some things that are very C-like, whereas Zig has some like extra stuff to make it a bit more user friendly. So like most people that I know that have done C and really like C move to Go, but the people that I know that like C that use C and don't particularly like it all that well, like like it's not their favorite language, but they still code in it. They would prefer like Zig just because it's a nicer way of handling things. It's like the what's it called? It's like people who go from like Java to C Sharp or Kotlin or Dart or those JVM languages like Scala, and there's a couple more that I can't remember right now. It's like what language do you prefer based on that? I think Clojure is also a JVM language. That if you like, so I thought for one sec that my mic was picking up the music. That you could pick up a different language that handles things a little differently. It's just that they're all basically kind of the same or kind of based off the same language. It's just how they handle things or like the semantics of handling different things is a little different. This is no knock on Go, or I'm not going to knock Go on its semantics. I'm just saying lots of people prefer different things in other language. Oh, cool. Mm-hmm. It'll be C dot right. There we go. Yeah, which does floating modulus here. We would do hang on. Oh, there we go. I think it's like that. There we go. Yeah, cool. Whoops. I don't like how Emacs is very pinky dependent. This might just be because I'm always using shift with my pinky, but with like for example, if I go to, I'm just gonna go to Vim real quick. There we go. If I VI spacey, there we go. So let's say I go to this, right? Cool. I can just do Control H, and I'll be back. Control L will take me back to the program that I'm currently wanting to be in, currently to the file that I want to be in. The only problem being if I open up a terminal, right? The problem is I can't switch between my terminal and the file directory like I can with Emacs. It's because your escape just doesn't work, which is fine. I can just exit and then just keep popping it open. That's fine. I've got used to that in Vim. It's just something that I don't particularly like in Emacs, that you have to always do your leader window shift. It's just like key chords. It's kind of annoying. So I'm just going to pop one out. There we go. I feel like I was shouting, and it's because these are very good at drowning out noise, so it's very hard to hear myself. Sorry, I just took that out so I could hear myself. Yeah, they're exclusive ranges. I wonder if there's a... Basically, in a window manager, you're able to reduce the size of a window, right? Just by doing like Alt H or Alt L J K, all of your Vim motions, right? I'm wondering if you can do the same thing in Emacs, but there might just be something that's in my config that I don't know. Damn. I think I can do config. It's fine. We'll open up the config later. Not visible through. Okay, that's fine. But that you can actually see my the commands that I'm doing. Whoops. You can actually see the commands that I'm doing from the from having to hit the leader key, so you can actually see I'm typing these things out. Okay, that makes sense. So you would allocate from an arena, which is just a technically kind of like a pool of memory that you can allocate from. So it's from allocate on the heap. Then you'll grab your allocator from that arena. Because you can have multiple allocators from the same arena. It's just like a memory arena, if that makes sense. Sorry, I know that could be kind of confusing. So you would try to allocate a pointer of 32-bit integer. So it'll be 32 bits, right? It's assigned 32 bits. Then you'll take a slice and allocate 64-bit float. Ooh, does that mean 5 64-bit floats? Or actually, yeah, that would make more sense saying that your 64-bit float would occupy you would have a multiple 64-bit floats. That's why it's a slice. Okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Mm-hmm. Oh, wouldn't it be? I'm assuming it would be allocator dot alloc. Then it would be f64. Then the size would be of r dot length. Is that right? Actually, I'll check that, right? Dot. What does it give me? Oh, len. There we go. Ooh, interesting. Allocator create alloc f64. Oh, whoops. Yeah, you're just shifting 4 times. Then you shift left 4 times. And operation or operation XOR. And then in most languages, double and is actual and. So double and is for 2 statements that you want to be true. Single and is to do bitwise and, except for Python, which does and the actual letter, the word and for I think bitwise operations. It's very weird. Yeah. Ooh, hang on. What must be written there? It's not X or Y again, is it? No, it's cool. That made more sense in my head now. Because when you X or Y, right? So that becomes, so your X value then becomes 0. When you Y X or Y, I mean Y X or X, you have got 0, and then you X or X, which is now 0. So that would remain a 1, right? Because XOR just checks for that. If it's the same, it becomes 1. If it's different, it becomes 0. So then when you XOR X and the Y again, you would have 0 XOR 1. So you would have 0. I didn't think I would be teaching bit manipulation of the stream. That's fun. Mm-hmm. 26. Hang on a sec. I'm gonna do this the old-fashioned, disgusting way. We got 32, 16, whoops, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1, right? Then we've got 1, 3, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is... Oh wait, we could just do 16 plus 8, which is 24, plus 2, which is 26. So this becomes 0, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, because 16 plus 8 is 16 plus 4, plus 4, 24. This becomes 0. Oh god. 0. This becomes 0, right? So we know this is going to be 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. It's a 32. So hang on. I think that's wrong, and it's going to need all 32 bits. Yeah, it's going to need all 32. Okay. Damn, okay. This is more annoying than I thought it was going to be. What's the... Do you know what? I can't be asked to actually write out the 32 bits. I know it's going to be in that representation. I just need the number. Just give me a sec. It's... Oh, they didn't even do him. God damn it. Okay, fine. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There might be an extra 0 in there. Just one sec. Yep, there's an extra 0 in there. Oh no. Hang on. Unless it's doing a bitwise and on those positions. Oh wait, is this the original Ziglings? Yeah, it is. could just end with 26 actually. This person's only done up to async. I'm getting wrecked. I don't have that many left, and I really want to get through them. Oh, it only said 91. Damn. I'm hoping that doesn't include async. Please don't include async. Please don't include async. Oh, god damn. Did they actually get through the async ones too? No, they haven't done anything on the async ones that I can see so far. Oh, you can do it, but... Okay. It didn't tell me that I had to do it, so I'm just gonna imagine that I don't. And... I'm pretty sure I could just do that and it would work. If all 26 bits are set, and if so, we are given the string as a pangram. Okay. So, oh, this means I could have them set or could not have them set, right? So it'd be who equals 0x something something to Ziglings is pangram. Yeah, I understand if you do it with that, but you could just do it with a number, right? So the number could be a 32-bit, and you would just need to make sure that when you XOR that number with 26, you no, when you add that number 26, you get 26. Oh, it's because my input's still here. God damn it. I know this isn't the right way to do it, but this is the only thing I could think of. Yeah, that works. But how do I fix that so there's something it's equals 0x something? Because it's just a bitwise operation, right? So hang on, what's the hint? It's true for each other, but hang on. Ooh, it opened. Okay. Solutions? Okay. No, that's not what I was looking for. There we go, his flags. OX3 F 3 F. What's this in binary? Oh, come on. Right. Whoops. Because my input was still in the terminal, wasn't it? Yep. No, to decimal. That's what I want. I'm just trying to understand why and 26 equals 26 is basically the same as doing this. So you would do equals this value, where in binary, right? It's just every value up to 32. Hang on one sec. So in here, right? I just go to the bottom. There we go. One, two, three. How many F's is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Oops, got that. Come on. Can't spell. There we go. Oh. Oh, I'm dumb. I know why now. I done 26 as in decimal value, not 26 bits. God damn it. Okay, yeah, that makes sense now. That makes sense now. Oh, oh. I could have just done 0. I could have just done the 111 all the way to 32. Oh, come on. That's my bad. That's just a hex representation of the same thing. That's on me. That's for me being stupid. Sorry. Come on. So this is the center line, right? So if we want to center a line here, we'll do the same thing. I think that's wrong. I think it should be from there to size, probably. Type, where's that? It's because I didn't save. That makes sense. That 20 is wrong though. It should probably be size. Or be. Oops, sorry. There we go. So it's not S, right? Oh god, come on. Is there a formatting one? Exercises. What's on there? No, that's not what I want. Make columns nice and straight. I would like to finish Ziglings this stream because it is only a couple left, right? Like, I've only got a couple left. I don't want to leave it to another stream. Two years ago, so they're definitely not going to have it. Yeah. Maybe they've solved formatting. D3. Okay. Okay. What difference does that make? That is greater than 3. Interesting. What? Okay, whatever. Okay. Oh, I didn't save. Damn. That formatting one, I don't think I would have got. Let me see if I can just try to figure it out. Roles, gold, experiences. I. Oh, okay. 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 Division by 0. Oh, okay. So another one. In sub. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is expect, which is fine, right? So expect is fine. Sub 10 and 5. 10 minus 5 gives you 5. There we go. And now just tokenization and then the end. So it's 1 sec, I'm just gonna turn the light on. So a tokenizer is just a delimiter, I'm guessing. Space, comma, and pass into an iterator, yeah. So it's just the thing that I want it to do, right? So my tokenizer needs to be a new line character, I think. And then it'll be a, whoops, it'll be this one, and then that, there we go. Oh, it one's on spaces, okay. What am I doing wrong? Now let's talking about spell. What do we need here? Ooh, is it doing something funky with the match? Yes, it is. Okay, that makes more sense now. So your tokenizer can be multiple values. Okay, so that then works like this, right? So you've got a space, you've got a comma, semicolon, then you've got a backslash n, and then you've got that, right? So when you run, now it finds it all. Cool. So now, if I take a look at the end, nothing more to do. Cool. So we finally finished Zig. From what I've seen in Ziglings, there has been updates, but none of them have been like to the actual exercises. There are still all the way up to tokenization, and I'm pretty sure async still doesn't run on manual. Is there a way to enable it? Well, it's not done yet, but that's okay for now. I'll just take a look at the Stack Overflow survey. for what we can do next time. Stack Overflow survey. That was good. Besides the like minor cheating because I'm bad at reading documentation, it was pretty good. Compared to wrestlings, I think I still prefer wrestlings more just because they had hints that took you straight to the documentation instead of just documentation, do it, and then you having to sift through the documentation when you get stuck. But that's just like personal preference of how you want to be told where things are. My desired. Okay, so the next language we'll be doing is, we did Rust, we did Elixir, we've done Zig. The next one is either TypeScript or is going to be Clojure. Let me see if there's a awesome TypeScript. Can't spell, but it's alright. Anyway, I'll look at this off stream, but we'll be doing a different language next week. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of your day, and peace.